right, GMGM, Friday, February 14th, 7 a.m. And the live stream has just begun. We're going to wait a few minutes for people to hop in Telegram and in the stream. Let's go ahead and share links, which is always important. We are live, we are live. How's everyone doing today? Today's date is February 14th. Let's see. Sharing in the group. Live stream updates. Hop in. I'll be answering questions here. Feel free to drop cues. Bam. Okay. We are on right there. And let's go ahead and hang out for a little bit. We'll let people filter in and we will go ahead and see how the morning is going. Happy Valentine's Day for those who celebrate. GM in chat. GM in chat. Let's pin, bam, GM chat. And also in the membership Discord. Once again, this is a utility token for members. GM. Live stream is on for members. If you are, in fact, a member of the Genghis Kahn AI token, go ahead and hop into the Discord. The Discord is where we are chatting and talking about this bot that is being built, and I want to go over that in a little bit. I'll wait another minute or two for people to filter in and go ahead and share the progress from week 1 to week 4. We're at the end of week 4 right now, and the building continues, and it's a pretty cool time to continue on. So, GM, how's it going, everybody? All right, so let's get all the windows arranged before I begin sharing. It's always a good practice for those are arranged correctly. Lots and lots of windows. GM. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin the live stream. Into screen sharing. Okay, let's go ahead and share. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Okay, there we are. Do not disturb, DND, and welcome to the Genghis Kahn AI Utility Token Week 4 live stream. Chat, I've got you here, so in case anyone wants to say hi, feel free to say hi, ask any questions, and then also members, I've got you here. So looking at all the chats, looking at how everyone's doing today. This is being recorded, and it will be shared on YouTube, and from there, we will continue the discourse. So, week 4. Good job, everyone, for hopping in. The overview, for those of you who are just hopping in, this is going to be an introduction. I'll do a quick intro for me. For those of you who have seen this before, just go ahead and stay tuned for the updates. The intent, and then the accomplishments, and then let's actually go ahead from the very beginning. I do want to show what the actual accomplishments are right at the very beginning, and we'll have a Q&A and roadmap at the end. So right in the very beginning, what's available to members right now? This is the membership. And so, hello, could you tell me what data you have access to? Essentially, this bot is plugged in to a bunch of data, terabytes and terabytes and terabytes of data that's constantly being updated from the graph. So we are able to have this bot be able to go out, find the correct endpoint, go out, formulate a query, go out, and bring that data back to us. And from there, we can go ahead and develop insights. So it's pretty nice to be able to have that. And what I am doing right now with members is talking with them and seeing, where do we want to shape this? Where do we want to go? And I had a nice conversation with one of the members a few days ago, essentially saying real world assets are of interest to this person. And that's also interesting to me too. So we're trying to see right now about shaping this bot in the way of how do we combine the data from the graph and real world assets. And I do know that there are chains out there that are working with real world assets. So we're trying to hone this a little bit, and I've been doing some research on that. So just wanted to give updates on that combination right now. We're going to try to see where this can go with the combination of real-world assets and graph data. So that's generally where we're going at this point, and I'm talking with developers that have been helping out. Shout out to the developers, shout out to the dev who helped get this bot plugged in with me and developed this artificial intelligence, this LLM, over the top of the graph. Awesome work. And now we're going to see, okay, well, where are we going to go with this? So now I want to go ahead and back up a little bit before we dive into more queries. And let's go ahead and say, I want to go over the progress since we have made so much progress, as well as an introduction to myself. So I'm Marcus Rain, 4 years in crypto, a few years in Soulbound Labs, a few years Edge and Node, full-time DevRel, developer relations, podcast, documentation, live coding, education, onboarding is what I do, and that's what I build. So other than crypto, I was a doctor of physical therapy for almost a decade, lots of workshops and teaching, lots of good interpersonal communication for years. Business owner, USA soccer player, and baker and a dog owner. Just baked some focaccia, 3 different loaves for a little get-together that I'm having tonight. I love baking. So the team right now, me, Volt, and 777 Moneymaker, as well as a bot. And then there's also 4 devs, not including myself, that are involved in this project. Front end, we've got 2 artificial intelligence developers, and we've got a developer who's just all around a 25 years experience and is doing great work as well. So those are all the anonymous developers, and then there's me. So there's 5 devs building on this. Pretty cool stuff. So the intent of this utility token essentially is to create a membership token-gated community for developers and degens of all background to come together and collaborate and find where the rubber meets the road for crypto and AI. And in doing so, develop an AI bot in public. I know AI bot is redundant, but that's kind of what's stuck in my head right now. But develop this in public, see what the use cases are, see what developers and degens can find together. And from there, find where the bags and also the actual product meet right in the middle. And so we're doing this in real time. The understanding the problem, essentially, there's not enough developers in Web3. I saw just yesterday, yes, full-time developers, 7.7K in public repos that are being updated, which, there's more, of course, in private, and I think 24K part-time occasionally thrown in there. So not a whole lot of developers in Web3. And if you want to be a degen or if you want to be a developer in crypto, it's just tough. It's a new way of thinking. And so to develop this bridge that brings people together, I think, is an important thing. And to actually attach this to an incentivization mechanism that is based upon currency, such as a token, is a healthy way to continue on motivation. So that's the blend of this. We're trying to bring degens and developers together and then also attach it to a token and then say, hey, let's go ahead and create value together around this token and the membership. Like I said, that's the objective right here. So accomplishments from week 1 to let's go to the week 4. I actually just updated this one right here. We did a lot. We had week 1 to week 2, we had 4 top AI and crypto devs onboarded, 31 members in the private dev chat, 800 in the Kahn Horde, Farcaster, Telegram, Reddit, Discord, all launched. Twitterbot was live. Website redesign was started. The website, as we all remember, was a little bit janky in the beginning. Shout out to the front-end dev who helped work with that and helped templating with that. I got that polished across the line. You got that started. Great teamwork. Khanbot, gated for members. Website version 1.0 was shipped. Subgraph was updated. White paper initiated, and version 1.0 was live. Shout out to Volt who helped with that white paper and got that across the line. Telegram video calls pulling into 10 to 20 viewers and 1K viewers on the X live stream. That was awesome to actually get that in there. The week 3, which was just last week, the Kahn bot was connected to the graph. So we have 3 bots going on right now. We have an educational bot that's onboarding. We have a marketing bot that's consistently posting. And then also we have one that's gated for members. So 3 bots are operational right now. We have more devs and degens in Discord. Awesome. How's it going, members? Hope you're watching. The Kahn repo is introduced, and I'm making that public except for the bot, the membership-only bot that is not public because that is for the members only. Telegram and X calls are continuing, still building in public. That's important. Bot is improving, formalizing member feedback. And now, week 4, we actually have that membership bot available to the public. So, not the public, to the members. So, Kahn and the graph available to membership. This is the path forward. We're getting higher quality data across the board to push into this artificial intelligence, and from there we're going to shape it and build it from there. More devs and degens in Discord, Telegram, and X calls continue. This is the way. This is the way. This is the way. So to back up a little bit, this was week one where we were essentially just getting things going and giving checklists and doing live streams, showing this type of stuff. I will also be doing an edit. This is how the website looked a few weeks ago, and right now let's go ahead and take a look at how it looks now after just a little bit of spit shine, we'll say. Much better. And so we are really having a nice experience, and this is all dynamically updated. These are all the members of the Horde, and these are all the staked tokens. If you want to become a member, go to CreatorBid, stake the tokens, and you will become a member and join the Telegram. That is an important thing where I'd like to communicate with you, and it has Wallet Connect features, and from there you can see if you're a member or not, and if you are a member, you are able to hop in and use this. And now, of course, if you are a member, go ahead and join the Genghis Khan Discord. From there, I'm happy to chat with you. So with that all being said, let me see if there's any chat going on. And everyone, how's everyone doing? GM. And yeah, so that's a quick update for the Genghis Khan bot. I'm really happy where we are at today after just a month, pretty much from launching on CreatorBid. From the very beginning, this was a intentional build in public venture where the intent was to see where this could go and continue going regardless. So we're going to keep on going regardless and trying to add more features over time. And it's very important for this to actually be successful for the members and for the community to actually take part and to actually hop in and see where this can go. And I want to be able to get that feedback loop going and have this be of value right away. So we'll hang out here for another few more minutes. I'm really happy that this is continuing on and seeing what the community wants to go with this. So for right now, the intent has been fulfilled for this live stream, and I am quite happy that we're able to have the graph plugged in here. I mean, just some questions that we could ask this. Let's say, let's talk about what was the pair with the highest trading volume on Uniswap v3 in the past month? Okay. And we could just hop right in with that. So it's able to take this language and this natural language and convert this into a query, and from there go ahead and return the data back. And from there, I think that's quite nice. I don't think interfacing with this amount of data with language is the way forward. I think the agentic features is going to be the next question. How do we get this to be actionable? The queries, I think dashboards is a better way to interface. So there we go. The pair with the highest trading volume in Uniswap v3 past month was the USDC WETH. That makes sense. With that trading volume of approximately 338 million. So that, I think this is a LLM interface. I think this is good to actually have this reference. The next step is the agentic features. So that's going to be where we go. So in closing, thank you all for hopping in. Thank you all for viewing, and I wish everyone the very best. Friday, February 14th at 7:15 a.m. Genghis Khan AI token live stream. So take care, everyone. I hope y'all have a good rest of your day, and keep on building, keep on building. Take care, everybody.